From the scorching sands of the Sahara to the icy plains of the Arctic, our planet is a tapestry of diverse and ever-changing weather patterns. Weather can often be unpredictable, but sometimes it goes beyond the ordinary and ventures into the realm of the bizarre. Join me as we journey across the globe to explore 10 unusual weather phenomena that will leave you amazed and curious about the forces at play in our atmosphere. Imagine a wildfire raging out of control, fueled by intense heat and driven by swirling winds. Suddenly, amidst the inferno, a pillar of fire rises, a terrifying vortex of flame and ash. This is a fire whirl, a rare and dangerous phenomenon more commonly known as a fire tornado. These swirling infernos occur when intense heat from wildfires combines with turbulent wind conditions, creating a vortex that sucks in burning debris and superheated air. Reaching temperatures of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, fire whirls can grow to over 100 feet tall, dancing across the landscape like fiery dervishes. Their unpredictable movements and intense heat make them a significant threat to firefighters and anyone caught in their path. For centuries, tales have been told of glowing orbs of light appearing during thunderstorms, mysterious and fleeting phenomena known as ball lightning. Unlike the jagged forks of lightning that illuminate the sky, ball lightning manifests as spherical objects, ranging in size from a golf ball to a beach ball. These luminous spheres, often described as white, yellow, or orange, have been reported to float through the air, hover in one place, or even bounce off objects before disappearing. Some theories suggest that ball lightning is a form of plasma, a superheated state of matter, while others propose that it is created by the interaction of lightning with the ground or with atmospheric gases. Despite numerous eyewitness accounts and ongoing research, ball lightning remains one of the most elusive and perplexing weather phenomena. Imagine waking up to a scene straight out of a science fiction film. The sky, once clear and blue, is now shrouded in an eerie crimson hue. Rain begins to fall, but instead of its usual translucent drops, the streets are stained with a blood-red downpour. This unsettling event occurred in Kerala, India, in 2001. Analysis of the rainwater revealed microscopic spores from a type of algae known as Trentipolia annulata, which had proliferated in the region. These airborne spores, when caught in raindrops, imparted their reddish hue to the falling water, creating the illusion of blood raining from the sky. The red rain phenomenon, while unsettling to witness, posed no direct threat to human health. Picture a serene lakeside scene, the air crisp and cold, the water shimmering under a clear blue sky. Suddenly, the peaceful silence is shattered by a deafening roar as a colossal wall of ice, driven by relentless winds, surges from the water's edge, engulfing everything in its path. This is the terrifying power of an ice tsunami, also known as an ice shove. These rare and destructive events occur when strong winds push large chunks of ice from a frozen lake or sea onto the shoreline. The immense weight and momentum of the ice can crush buildings, topple trees, and reshape the coastline in a matter of minutes. The destructive potential of ice tsunamis serves as a stark reminder of the raw power of nature. Imagine gazing up at the sky on a crisp winter day and witnessing not one but 3 suns gracing the heavens. This celestial spectacle, known as sundogs or parhelia, appears as bright spots of light on either side of the sun. This mesmerizing optical illusion is caused by the refraction of sunlight through ice crystals in the atmosphere. When sunlight passes through these hexagonal ice crystals, it is bent or refracted at a 22-degree angle. Sundogs are most commonly observed when the sun is low in the sky, either shortly after sunrise or just before sunset. While not as rare as some of the other phenomena we've explored, sundogs are a captivating reminder of the interplay between light, ice, and atmosphere. Picture a pristine blanket of snow covering a vast field, untouched and undisturbed. Suddenly a strange sight appears, a large cylindrical roll of snow resembling a giant donut, seemingly moving on its own accord. This curious phenomenon, known as a snow donut or snow roller, is a testament to the whimsical nature of winter weather. Snow donuts form under a unique set of conditions that combine wind, temperature, and snow consistency. It begins with a layer of loose, wet snow on the ground, topped by a thin crust of slightly frozen snow. When a gust of wind catches the edge of this crust, it begins to roll it forward, creating a larger and larger cylinder, often with a hollow center. Imagine strolling through a park on a bright, sunny day, not a cloud in the sky, when suddenly a large chunk of ice plummets to the earth just feet away. This terrifying yet perplexing phenomenon is known as a megakryometeor, a giant ice ball that falls from the sky in clear weather. Unlike hail, which is formed within thunderstorms, megakryometeors have no connection to storm clouds. These massive ice balls can weigh anywhere from a few pounds to over 50 pounds, posing a significant threat to anyone or anything unfortunate enough to be in their path. The impact of a megakryometeor can be devastating, damaging roofs, cars, and even causing serious injury. Scientists continue to investigate these enigmatic ice bombs, seeking to unravel the atmospheric processes that lead to their creation. Picture this. The sun rises over the Australian outback, casting a golden glow across the vast expanse. Suddenly, a series of massive, rolling clouds appears on the horizon, stretching for hundreds of miles, resembling giant waves frozen in time. This breathtaking spectacle, known as morning glory clouds, is a rare and awe-inspiring meteorological phenomenon most commonly observed in northern Australia during the spring months. These long tube-shaped clouds can stretch over 600 miles in length and often appear in groups, creating a mesmerizing display of atmospheric waves. The formation of morning glory clouds is a complex process, involving the collision of different air masses with varying temperatures and humidity levels. The morning glory clouds are not just a visual spectacle, they also create unique atmospheric conditions that attract glider pilots from around the world. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the land, a rare and fleeting spectacle awaits those fortunate enough to witness it: the green flash. This elusive phenomenon, often dismissed as a myth or a trick of the light, is a real, albeit brief, optical illusion that occurs just before sunset or just after sunrise. For a fleeting moment, lasting only a second or two, the sun appears to emit a flash of green light, as if a giant emerald had been momentarily ignited in the sky. This emerald glow is caused by a combination of atmospheric refraction and the scattering of sunlight. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, it is bent or refracted by the different layers of air. The green flash, while fleeting, is a captivating reminder of the interplay between light and atmosphere. Imagine waking up on a frigid winter morning to discover a field transformed into a delicate garden adorned with intricate ice-white blooms. This enchanting sight is not a figment of your imagination, but a real, albeit ephemeral, phenomenon known as frost flowers. Frost flowers are delicate ice formations that appear on the surface of thin ice or open water in cold, calm conditions. These intricate ice formations, resembling delicate white flowers, are formed through a fascinating process of ice segregation and water vapor deposition. When the air temperature drops below freezing, water vapor in the air comes into contact with this supercooled water and freezes instantly, forming delicate ice crystals. Frost flowers are most commonly observed in the early morning hours, when temperatures are at their lowest and the air is calm. From fiery tornadoes to ice tsunamis and fleeting green flashes, the unusual weather phenomena we've explored highlight the incredible diversity and complexity of our planet's atmosphere. These meteorological marvels remind us that nature is full of surprises and that there is still much to learn about the forces that shape our weather. Which of these weather phenomena would you love to witness in person? Let me know in the comments below.